6, Santa Ana Park. Anytime now, race number 6. The favorite, Magnus Dominus. Away they go. Promise. Kate Ganda racing on the outside. Magnus Dominus is running by the top guy. Touch of Gold. On the outside is Terrible Marvin. Who else? And Vergara is running at the tail of the field. Kate Ganda is now the leader by about 2 lengths. Promise in second. Top guy Magnus Dominus running by Drell and Touch of Gold, and rounding the far turn Kate Ganda by Alencana Promise, and by Drell is Magnus Dominus Top guy, and at the far turn Kate Ganda by Alencana Promise in second. Magnus Dominus running by Drell Top guy as they race the final corner. Kate Ganda is still the leader, and Promise running by Drell with the last 150 meters more to run. Kate Ganda, Promise Danori inside fighting for the lead. Promise, Kate Ganda, and nearing the finish line. Number 5, Promise, Kate Ganda, Magnus Dominus Top guy, Touch of Gold, Pentafecta.